in Bamboo Valley lived Rika, a playful red panda. She loved climbing, swinging, and eating bamboo. One rainy day, her trail was too slippery. She climbed a bamboo stalk and slid down. "That was awesome," she squeaked, telling her friends. Monkey, Taken, and Snow Leopard came to try. They lined up and zipped down, giggling. Monkey shouted, "Let's make a race!" Rika marked the course, the Great Bamboo Slide Race. They slid, cheered, and clapped all day. Rika didn't win, but she didn't mind. "It's about having fun together," she laughed.